Mommy caught a shark. Look at this shark. Oh.
You want to take a picture instead?
It's a catfish. Holy smokes!
Holy cow.
You gotta be kidding me, man.
Give him a kiss. No, literally, you gotta give him a kiss.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
You're looking at
Don't let him fall back in the water.
I'll do anything to get a fish in the boat.
Bring it in, baby.
Come on, Sarah. You gonna bite, G?
No, you got it. You didn't catch a picture, did you?
Yeah. Got that on film.
Get him in the water.
Show me. There you go.
He's got it. He's got it. I got it, baby. I'm gonna reel it in.
First one.
Oh, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh! That is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life. Give it! Give it! Give it!
Oh my god!
What'd you catch, Bo? Are you bringing that home and eating it?
Hell no.